Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a super easy DIY nutrition mask with you using thick cream. Thick cream is really rich in fat, so it's supposed to be really nourishing for the hair, and it's going to help to prevent a lot of frizz and give your hair that smooth, shiny look. I originally saw this mask on Talitha Cruz's channel, so I'll have her video linked down below in the description box, and let's just get into the mask. Okay, so for this mask you only need 3 ingredients, the first obviously being the thick cream. Then you need any nourishing hair mask or deep conditioner of your choice. I chose this one because I'm literally almost out and I just wanted to finish it up. And then you need any oil of your choice. I chose coconut oil. The measurements of each ingredient don't need to be exact. I used about 2 to 3 spoons of each, but you can just adjust it depending on how thick or long your hair is. I found the thick cream in the baking aisle at my local supermarket. I know it can also come in like small cartons as well, or even bigger cans and cartons, so just check the baking aisle and you should be able to find it there very easily. Then I went ahead and added 2 spoons of the coconut oil. If you live somewhere colder, you might need to melt your coconut oil down first. Mine was already very soft because it's been really warm and humid here. And then you just go ahead and mix everything together until you have a nice smooth paste. Alright, so my hair has been freshly washed, only with shampoo. We're going to use conditioner a little bit later, but for the first wash you only need shampoo. And I gently comb through it with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that it's easier to apply evenly. So my hair is still very damp, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying this section by section. I'm probably going to apply it to like 1-inch sections just to make sure that my hair is all evenly coated. I'm not going to be applying this on my scalp. I don't really like to apply masks on my scalp. I feel like it makes my hair oily more quickly. However, if you like to apply masks to your roots, please feel free to do so. I already did a scalp treatment yesterday and left it in overnight to wash it out today, so my scalp has already been nourished, but if you want to apply this to your scalp you can. I'm going to go ahead and just start applying it. Okay, so you definitely don't need to completely soak your hair in a mask, especially one that has oil in it, because it will make it more difficult to remove later. I'm going to leave this in my hair for about 25 minutes to half an hour, and then I'm going to wash it out. The important part of this mask is washing it out, because we're not going to be using shampoo again. You could if you want, but in the video I watched and in most masks that are done this way on shampooed hair, you don't use shampoo again. The way you're going to get this out of your hair is with your conditioner. So once you go in the shower, go ahead and rinse this out like normal and apply your conditioner. You might need to use more conditioner than normal, so I use quite a bit of conditioner, and I really spend time working the conditioner in through my hair, almost like I would with my shampoo. So you're basically co-washing your hair, but you're going to massage the conditioner in and really work it through your hair and let it sit for a minute while you do your other shower things. Then you're going to go ahead and rinse it out like normal. The conditioner is going to help break down the oil and remove it from your hair, because your conditioner is a similar consistency to the oil. Because most conditioners already have oils in them, it has a similar texture, so it's going to help to break down the oil that's in your hair already. The first time I did a mask like this, I didn't do it properly, and obviously, as you can imagine, when I got out of the shower my hair was super oily. So make sure that you do this properly and take the time to really massage the conditioner in, and that way you won't have any issues. Your hair should be nice and clean and fresh afterwards. So like I said, I'm going to leave this in for a little bit, and then I'm going to go wash it out, and I will be back tomorrow probably to show you the results once my hair has completely dried. These are the results of the mask. I'm so happy with how it turned out. My hair is super shiny and soft and easy to brush through. I didn't experience any issues at all getting the mask out of my hair. I didn't have any oily spots left over or anything. So like I said, it's really important to spend the time working the conditioner in through your hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this mask. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!